Hey guys, today I'm going to explain a problem which is mostly faced by the new user of fusion360. I had created a threaded hexa board in fusion360, and when I exported the board and loaded it into slicer, you can see that there are no threads visible on this. And if I will go to the print preview, you can see that the shaft is fully smooth and there is no thread. Let me show you how we can fix this problem. Again, I will go to the Fusion 360, and on the timeline, I will click on the edit feature and will right click here and click edit feature. And you can see that when I created the thread, I have not checked the modeled option. Now I will check this and will click OK. You can see that our thread are visible at here. Again, I will export into STL file. For exporting into STL file, I will right click on here, save as mesh, select the STL binary. The unit type will be millimeter, and again I will click OK and will rename this. And the STL file will be saved at the download folders of my computer. I click on save. Now I will go to the download folder, and here is the file which I have exported. Now I will drag the file and will drop into Bamboo Studio. Now you can see there the thread has been added successfully to the board. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you could get the notification of new videos. Thank you.